Hi guys, back to the video. Today we are playing 1v1. Guys, right here. Hope you'll like the video. Oh no, I can't get out, Okay. So, yes. Oh no! It just moved. For some reason I did that. So you guys will be staying with me right here. So this is 1v1, but I'm playing 4v4. That's Midas. So now we are just waiting for the people to come in the game so that we could play. So now there's 2 people. Okay. If you haven't subscribed, give a like and subscribe. Make sure when you hit the like button, it has to turn blue. When you hit the subscribe button, it has to turn gray. So now we are just playing 4v4, and I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna show you guys how cool I built. Okay, that's okay. So now we need 2 more people so that we could start the game. 2 more people, just 2 more, so that we could start the game. Okay, 1 more person. One more. Come on, 7 out of 8. 1 more person. Oh yes, gold. So now you can see the game starting. I changed my color. Oh no. No one's shooting him. No, I hate you. Oh no, I eliminated 1. Okay, I see you, kid. Help, friend. I can't just be doing this by myself. God, I'm just gonna sit right here. When he comes, I see him, bullying my friend, I got him. Oh no, right here. Oh. Thanks, friend, thanks. I got you. Oh no. So guys, let's play another round. Another movie. So we needed to go to 8 again. It's fast sometimes. Sometimes it's slow because sometimes people are not playing. Okay, now they're ready. I'm ready. Let me change the colors. I want to change the colors. Oh my god, he just lasered me. He likes his friend somehow. Oh no, he's lasering me. I'm gonna show him. Oh no, my friend's coming here. Oh no, am I by myself? I don't know. on, I'm struggling. You just come right here. Okay, got it for 20. Okay, that's good. What? How did that not hit? Okay, I got him for 60. Should be like on. Okay. Can't burst me, son. Stuck. Oh, let's go. So we just won a game. Now 4v4 again. Okay, we just started the game. We destroyed 87. What? Make no sense. I got that one on the right. And then he's dead. Wants to verse me, looks like. Oh no, he's right there. I'm gonna build my 90s. Oh no, no, he's right there. He's right there. Oh my god, I have to fall. Oh! And then he's gonna fall with me. I see him, I see him, I see him. I'm gonna make him fall, I'm gonna make him fall. You better fall. We don't need you here. We don't need you here. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I got you, friend, so that you're not dead. Got you. Got you, bruh. I got you. He's dead. Oh my god, I'm getting lasered. All the people are shooting me. I'm just gonna act like I'm a noob and then I'm just gonna shoot at him. Oh my god! That was a. Oh my god! I was acting like a noob, but I actually shot him for 100. Bro, that's what he gets. Lame, man. I see you. Come here. Let's go. He's stuck. Bruh. God, there's people lasering me. Okay, I'm gonna show him. No, 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 no. Oh my god, help! No. I'm gonna act like a noob. Again. Okay, okay. Calm down. Oh no! Oh my god, oh my god. I'm running away. Oh no, I'm dead. Dead. I'm dead. So we are going for another round. Let me change the colors. So here, building colors have changed. So now I have blue, that red. Okay, now we are back in this game again. I see two people right there. He's dead. He's dead. I'm going on him. Going on him. I'm gonna trick him. What is he doing? Oh no. Come here. Who do you think you're shooting at? Oh no, 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 no. No. You better get out of my place, kiddo. Okay, thanks. Thanks. I see him. Got him. I don't know what he's doing, but I got him. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, friend. We can't lose. Friend. Oh my god! No, 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 no. Okay. So there is the Brutus skin. There is the Meowscles. That's okay. We are ready. Let me play like my mouse on the top. That's so hard. I got one on the right. I got him lasered. Oh my god, if that would hit, bro. You better get away from me. Before I laser you, son. Bro, he did not even laser me one time. Bye. Okay, so he did not still laser me, but he's up there. Oh no, one's versing me. Oh no. Okay, got it for 100. No! No, run away, run away. Run away, I'm gonna show you. You better go away. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Help, help. Help, 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 help. Help, guys. Help. Thanks, friend. Let's go. That's the get. There we go, we won. Please like the video and subscribe. Run around, and that's it for today. So there we go. I see one on the left, that's a noob. Oh no, I'm getting it. There. Okay. He's not here. Okay. His friends really care about him, man. That's true. Okay, I see one, but he's not good. He jumps on me, but I see you. He's dead. Bye. So he's dead. I need a verse. More people. I need a verse. That guy. He's sticking his head out. He's gonna stick his head out right now. Got 30. He's a noob now. He's gonna move. He's a noob right now. Okay, I eliminated him. There's one more coming. No, that's my friend. Wait. One more back. I think he's building there. That's his building. Where is he? Is he a noob? I don't know where he is, but he killed one of my friends. Yeah, I see him. Oh no, he's lasering me. No! So guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you liked the video. The thing is 1v1, make sure you it's on Google. You don't have to download it. It's not an app store. It's on Google or Safari. You could write 1v1, it's gonna come out. So bye.